I gave myself 3 conditions if I ever hit 500 subscribers on YouTube. The first, figure out if this is just a hobby or something more. The second, prove myself it's not just about me. And the third most important one, convince my wife that YouTube or this here is actually worth the time it eats up and more than just the gear in the hallway. So here we are. The first video I ever uploaded, I saw a wolf about 80 meters away. I was alone, I filmed it and somehow uploaded it on YouTube. And it got 300 views. I was stoked, I thought I made it. But after that, 6 views, 10 views, a few faceless, kind of cringy videos. I didn't really know what I was doing, but I kept uploading. And now this channel has more than 500 subscribers. And I want to be honest about where this is going. The content varies, I know. One week I'm trail running, the other week I'm stealth camping in the rain or tracking animals or building weird stuff out of trash. But it all comes down to one simple question. How can I experience nature and have an adventure, ideally, without being a jerk? So yeah, cleanups, recycled gear, invasive plants, rewilding projects, observations. That's the thread, like the quiet mission, if you want. A little over a year ago, I was burned out. I wasn't exactly depressed, but my life was missing something. And usually my job used to give me a lot of purpose, but the company grew, I kind of shrank, and somehow filming these odd outdoor adventures gave me a direction again, a sense of purpose. And all the nice comments from you guys, they really matter more than you think. So, to mark 500 subscribers, I want to build 500 birdhouses in one go. A full-on recycled material, highly functional birdhouse building marathon. And in spring, we come back with a thermal cam and we check which ones were actually used and which ones weren't used and what we learned. Because I want to give something back to the forest, but also to you guys who helped me keep going. But here's the thing. I can't just decide on my own. I got 3 kids, a wife who supported me through a lot, but who also wonders what all this time spent in the woods is really about. So this video is for her too. I want to show her this is not just about me. This is a project with purpose, maybe with impact, and with you guys. A community I really want to keep building. So if you want to be part of this, amazing. Send me ideas, weird birdhouse plans, sketches, put them in the comments or send me an email. If you want to donate a few screws or nails, that always helps. There's a Ko-fi link below. And if any money is left, I'm gonna invite my wife on a dinner kebab date and tell her I want to keep doing this and I think it matters.